Hey guys, it's Hollywood Popstar with Camila Cocker Spaniel, and I'm gonna go outside right now. Sorry. It's outside. It looks really cloudy, but then it's hot. I'm cold inside. Yeah. Yeah. I think I saw my teacher. She was staring at me, but I don't even know. Oh, look, there's her. I don't know which way. Oh, butterfly. There we go. I don't know which way she went. I'm going to drop it. I count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Put it over there. I'll go get her. I'm in my pajamas. Still yelling. I was 2 probably. People probably think I'm weird. But, you know, whatever. That's life. That's what life is about. It's pretty nice. Bye.